Now, tonight I am going to my friend's party and Beautiful Baskets by Maggie. She's been doing this for 35 years now. A lot of my clients use her for their parties and so forth. As a matter of fact, I'm helping her drop off, I think, 400 baskets on Monday to a local bank here. You got to help a sister out, right? With her little small business. It's in the basement of her gorgeous home, and you walk down there and you just feel like you are in heaven because every kind of chocolate and flavored popcorn and all these goodies and yummies are in there. And so I often give those baskets to my clients when I close on a home. And as a matter of fact, I'm going there tonight. We're having a little party, so I'm making these amazing phyllo dough treats. And we put mozzarella in there and some balsamic vinegar sprinkled on the top, you know, a sprig of rosemary. And my little puppy likes them too, Rocco. I'm super excited to go to Maggie's tonight with these little treats, and I'm gonna be picking up some of her beautiful baskets for my clients when I'm there. One of my friends, she made them for a Friendsgiving, and I'm like, you've gotta give me that recipe. So, good stuff.